Hey, superstars. Hey, this is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. And I'm like in my bedroom. And I know what you're thinking. Wesley, why don't you have a shirt on? Well, this is why. Because years ago, I used to wear suits to work. I used to wear uniforms to work. And I said, you know what? I'm going to be butt naked in my bed here. And I'm going to have that beautiful view. And now I'm living the dream. So don't mind me because I don't have a shirt on, because one day you'll do the same thing as well. Hey, this is another video where I'm going to show you 6 websites. These are guaranteed. I've searched over 10,000 different websites and they guarantee pay you every day. Okay, listen, they're going to pay you every 24 hours if you would like to do business with them. It's easy to get to work with them. It's online. You could be in your bedroom. You don't have to go to work. And these are proven to work. Now listen, hey, I'm always creating free money making online videos for you. So feel free to look at me with my mouth open. Let's go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through this very fast. Please don't skip because I have to give you instructions on what you need to do to be very beneficial on the website. And listen, it's very easy. Even if you have an iPhone, you can do this as well. I know many people that do it. I do it as well. Like I said before, I've searched over 10,000 different online companies that pay you like today, not tomorrow, not 7 days from now. These sites here, 6 of them, will pay you right now. Okay? Is that cool? Hey, can you smash the like button once I give you value? Don't smash the like button yet. Wait till I earn it, okay? I want to earn it, all right? First site is basically Line. Now, have you ever seen those weird people that ride those weird scooters, in the street? And basically you can rent these scooters and they leave them all over the freaking place. They leave them on the street. They leave them on the sidewalk. Well, listen, this site right now, if you have an iPhone, you can download the app. They will pay you $5 to $15 to charge those annoying scooters. Okay? That makes sense? Look at me. They're going to pay you $5 to $10 to $15 every time you recharge the scooter. You just download the app, and as long as the scooters are in your area, boom, they're going to start paying you money. So go ahead and try it. I mean, I did it. I didn't charge any scooters because I don't know. I just didn't want to do it. But listen, if you're trying to make some money real quickly here and you don't want a regular job, this is a great site to go to make some extra income. Next site is GigWalk. I like this because basically, this is crazy. They pay you to go to Walmart or different grocery stores to basically gather data, right? Such as, let me give you an example. This site right here basically would pay you money if you go to a store and you tell them if like the ketchup is facing the right way. It's crazy, right? But they do it. They will pay you, right, to walk around. You see the map here? They pay you to walk around the grocery stores, convenience stores, Walgreens, drugstores, whatever. Basically, because what you're doing is a lot of companies are paying a ton of money to people like you, basically to get data, right? They want to know what the customer is experiencing. So basically, they're going to pay you about, I think it's like $3 to $15 per task, right? And that's it, guys. It's just easy. Just download the app. It's right on your computer here, right on your iPhone, your Galaxy phone, and they will pay you. You're making money online. You're sitting, laying in your bed, right? You got your beautiful view right there that you worked hard for. But listen, you're no longer working a job, okay? And they pay in 24 hours, okay? Next website, I told you I was going to go fast, okay? Scribby. So basically, it's easy. You know all those podcasts like Joe Rogan podcast, Wesley Virgin podcast? Well, listen, they're going to pay you 10 cents per minute to basically transcribe what people are saying, okay? That's it. I mean, it's crazy, right? You just sign up and basically people around the world will pay you up to 10 cents to do that, okay? It's really cool, right? Listen, this is like a lazy way to make money. Don't believe that there are not easy money-making strategies online, because there are. So here's the site, Scribby.com. Go to it right now. And so I don't waste your time, I'm going to go to the next site now, okay? If you appreciate that, you know how some of those internet people, they talk all day. They keep telling you to smash the like button, share this video, please. My link is in the description. I just want to give you the value, okay? You can go to QMe.com. So basically, QMe.com allows you to take your iPhone, and when you shop and you give your opinions and you search, they pay you. You just download the app. It's a free download. And basically, every time you do searches and purchases and shop, basically, they pay you to shop. This is great for women, because if women, we know you, ladies, you love to shop. Well, I mean, it works. And they pay you every 24 hours, right? Smash the like button for that. Like every freaking day. And like I said, these are some of the top sites that I've found online out of tens of thousands that I went through, right? Because I'm always looking for the easy way to make money online, not the hard way, the easy way, okay? And these sites are legit and they work. All right, next one is 5. TestingTime.com. They're going to pay you up to $50 an hour. That's crazy. So listen, you'll never take another test until you get paid for it. A lot of you take SATs, you take those dumb tests in high school. Well, you're not getting paid for it. Well, this site, they're going to give you tests, right? Studies, things of that sort on new products, okay? Online. And they're going to pay you up to $50 an hour. Like $50 an hour, if you do the math, 50 times 8 is $400 a day. So that's $16,000 a month if you catch a gig that pays that amount of money. Testing Time is my go-to. Well, I'm kind of embarrassed to say this, but I'm not going to lie. When I was struggling trying to make money online, thank God I found this site. And I used to make about $100 a day. That was $3,000 a month. My rent was like $700, and my car note was about $300. So this kind of held me and sustained me. So guys, check it out, ladies. Check it out, young man. TestingTime.com. Now this is number 6 here. Boom. Number 6 is basically, I know you say, well, Wesley, that's you. Yeah, that's me. Basically. So you want to know who is this young lady on Wesley Virgin's shoulder. Now check it out. So years ago, okay, this young lady right here, she sent me a Instagram DM, and she kept sending me these DMs and said, Wesley, teach me how to make money on the internet. How do I make money on the internet online? Because at that time I had made my first million. Grateful to God for that. And I really understood how the internet works. And now I educate and teach people. I don't BS them, right? Because most internet marketers, they will BS you. But I just tell you what it is. And this young lady right now, I took her under my wing, right? For the first year or two, I made her work for free. And the third year, she made $1 million here. And what we do now, we just help other people like you, period. And the training is free, by the way. You go to the site. I'll leave a link in the description below. And she basically teaches you how to do. And let me prove it to you, because you might say, well, Wesley, that's just you and the register now button. Before I click it, can you show me proof that this is working for other people and yourself? Yep. Let me log into my account. So let me log in. This is Digistore 24. This is the company that's going to pay you as well. And let me log into one of my accounts here. And let me just show you potentially the daily income that you can make. Okay? You. All right? So let me log in here. And if you look here, basically, come on. Here we go. My internet is slow because I'm so high, right? I'm so high in the sky right now. Okay, listen. So you scroll down here, you'll see right now, September 4th, almost $4,000 there. It's September 5th right now. But the thing is, this is on German time. So actually that $331 is actually, it's midnight in Germany somewhere. But as you can see, I average about $3,000 here per day. 16, 17,000, 22,000 per week. And it's all from this training, because basically what we do here, we don't BS you, okay? So I want you to imagine yourself. This is what I tell everybody that's thinking about getting started and like registering now for the free training that we're just gonna show you step by step what we do. This is pandemic proof as well. This is some of the questions that new people ask. They say, Wesley, can I do this as a newbie? I have no internet skills. As a matter of fact, I've tried so many different programs and it doesn't work. Listen, I can't guarantee anything, but I guarantee you this. It's free, the training, and she trains you, okay? Not really me. Why? Because she's a newbie. Like, I got a newbie to make $100,000 per month in a very short amount of time. That means right now, if you hit the register now button, you're not going to see my crazy looking face. You're going to see her beautiful looking face, right? And she's going to train you. And the great thing about training people, you need a new person that's just like you, right? That can train you. Because if I train you, I may be too high level. She breaks it down, ABC 1, 2, 3. You'll see once you register now for the training. I'll put a link in the description under this video, and you'll start making money. And I'm talking about $100 a day, $500 a day, like I showed you before. Let me show you another account. Before you guys get too excited, smash that like button for me and click that link in the description to join in. And the great thing about this is a live training, and you'll be able to ask questions, right? It's like mentorship, basically. Let me show you another account that we're doing pretty well on. This is kind of a brand new account. This is one of my, it's actually a student, you know. It's like a combined account, and this is the money that they're making so far. This person just started a couple of days ago, and he's doing, like, look at that. He had a big day, September 4th. $1,000, $200, and this person's brand new. Within 7 days, which is, listen, those results are not typical. I'm not saying that would happen for you. What he did that most people don't do, he took action, hit the register now button. He understood it was free, right? You hit the register now just like that. You're going to see this little spoke wheel thing. You choose a date that you want to basically talk with her. Okay, I'll be there too, but she'll be doing all the training, okay? Whatever day, schedule time with me and her, and let's get started, you know? It's up to you. It's up to you. If you're not struggling during the pandemic, don't register right now, okay? If you don't need extra money, don't register right now. If you're not willing to do the work, don't register. Like I said again, the training is free. So those are the 6 ways to make money online. And listen, I love this program because it's paying me a lot of money. My company's making $1 million per month, and I'm grateful to God for that. But what's important is I want to show you how to do this. And I appreciate if you like and share the button. At least like and share, because I'm showing my masculine chest, baby. Let's go. Sometimes you got to break the rules, baby. And that's what I want for you. I'm going to leave you with this before you register right now by clicking the link in the description. I'm going to give you one piece of advice I like to give every new person, beginner, old person, young person, teenager. If you ever want to be successful in life, 1, you must first change your mindset. That means you have to change the way that you think. You can't think poor, average type of thoughts and expect to have millions of dollars. 2, you got to separate from your friends, okay? You just got to do it. Why? You love them, but your friends are just like you. Broke, poor, average, same type of language. Unfortunately, they would never help you to become rich. And 3, and this is the most important thing you need to do before you click that register now button and get this free training and see exactly how people are making $1,000 per day, per month easily. Is this: in life, you must picture what you want every single day. The reason why I have this beautiful view, I'm on the 46th floor here. I'm in Miami, Florida. I stay, one of my properties are in the Porsche building. I'm talking from the heart here. Is because I pictured this. I was just a young black kid from Houston, Texas. My parents didn't have any money. There was no opportunities for me. And I just started, at the age of like 26, I started to picture my life being better. Don't focus too much on the how-to. Don't focus too much on what you got to do. Just create the picture first. I just want to give you that advice because I love you guys and I appreciate you. And like I said, I want to deserve that like button. So if you're going to take action and register right now for that webinar, it's free. Go ahead and register now and smash the like button. I love you guys so much. Hey, make sure you sub to the channel because every day I pop out another video for you so you can start making money quickly and understand that making money online is not that difficult, but you do have to take massive action. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go! Later.